here's the thing. If you do not stop using drugs, you know what's going to end up happening? Either you're going to be in somebody's jail, somebody's prison, or somebody's going to have to identify your body.
Welcome to the 19th verdict.
Court is calling 2025 CR 013339 State versus Amber Cross. Can I have parties announce?
Alma Benavides for Ms. Krause.
And are you Ms. Cross? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Cross, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Krause, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record for a moment. State, on this case,
I don't know how she'd be a state jail repeater with this one TC trick that is.
oh yeah, so I don't know why they put that in there, but okay. Thank you. No, it's whoever indicted this. Don't take that. All right, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Ms. Cross, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her rights to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No motions, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses file, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Did offer state one in a caption.
We reviewed them, Judge. We have no objections.
All right, state, to me, the excuse. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we're just asking the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right.
Currently has 26 days credit.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 6 months in the state jail facility. There's an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and the court will give you credit for any time served. And I'll suggest that they're, oh, sorry, just 1 second, 6 months in the Bear County Jail, sorry, under 1244.
Thank you, Judge.
And the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
So,
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes,
Your Honor, did you impose a fine?
yes.
We would ask for time and money to go and concur.
Oh, I did.
Okay, thank you.
No
Judge.
problem.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal because this is a felony conviction, not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you do not stop using drugs, you know what's going to end up happening? Either you're going to be in somebody's jail, somebody's prison, or somebody's going to have to identify your body. There are many places in Bear County where you can get help. So if you don't know who to call or where to go, you come back here before January 1st. I will still be here and I'll pick up the phone to try to help you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge. May
Thank
we
you.
be excused?
Yes. All right, who's next? All right, so how much, oh, so the restitution is $608.82. You've been on probation since April 2024. Why, have you paid anything towards restitution? Why not?
I don't have an excuse. I just,
Tender. Showing defense something that really.
Are you employed?
no, not right now.
When's the last time you had employment?
November.
How much are you going to be able to pay a month towards restitution?
I do like 100.
All right.
Additionally, Judge, the state proposes that, and this is from an email from between 88 Jones and I and Mr. Simmons. The state is also requesting that the defendant provide proof of employment within 30 days.
Your Honor, in talking to my client right now, I don't know that there would be an issue if the court would be willing to, he's expressed a commitment to me to have this paid within 30 days. The $600, $608. Is that correct? Yes.
Well, I'm gonna have him pay $100 per month, and if he can pay the $600 in that time frame, then he can pay it in that time frame. If you get that to probation. So I withdraw the motion. I'm gonna alter and amend your conditions. For you to pay at least $100 per month towards restitution. There's to be no possession of firearms, and you're to provide proof of employment within 30 days of release. And there's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, the range of punishment for this offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you better start doing things differently, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who else is ready?
Perfect.
Yes, I
Your Honor.
have Mr. Santiago, page 3, 2 down.
6 months in jail and an $800 fine. On paper, it's just another state jail felony. But look closer. The real weight of this hearing wasn't in the years Amber Cross faced, but in the 3 doors the judge showed her a jail cell, a prison bunk, or a cold slab in the morgue. The judge's final warning wasn't just a sentence. It was a brutal, necessary wake-up call. By offering her personal help before the new year, she stepped out of her role as a punisher and became a lifeline. But it leaves us with a haunting question. In a system built on punishment, is a judge's tough love enough to rewrite a destiny already blurred by addiction? If you were sitting on that bench, would you see Amber as a criminal who deserves the full 2 years, or a human being who just needs one person to pick up the phone? Does the law need more iron fist or more open hands? Drop your thoughts below. Let's talk about it.